Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to rename your project on mobile Photoshop. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open your Photoshop if you already have the Photoshop Express, and then you just need to go click it. And wait a minute. And here is the look whenever you open the Photoshop Express on your phone. And to access your project, you just need to take a look on these three sections right here, and then you just need to jump from home into this my project, and then you just need to click it. So in this section there will be containing all of the projects that you already used or you already edited with the Photoshop. And to rename the project, you just need to decide which project that you want to rename the files to, for example here, and then you just need to go click these three small dots on the documents, and there will be only two options here. Either you want to rename the project or you delete the project. To rename it, go click this rename and preparing the titles or the name of the file. So here, let's say I'll let you do it dark, and after that you just need to go click save, and your project is already renamed. It will make you easier to find the projects that you want to continue edit. So that's the way how to rename project on a mobile Photoshop. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comments, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.